1 in 10 bad eggs, and we'll see what happens.
And they'll take a sample.
So then we'll add the alcohol directly to the eggs. The alcohol concentration will be fairly high at that point. And is that sufficient to kill the salmonella in the egg before you add everything else to it?
And another sample.
We'll now add the light cream. The sugar to taste, but we're not going to taste. Take the heavy cream and whip it so it peaks.
Don't forget the nutmeg.
And voila, we have eggnog.
All the samples will get rubbed on these special plates, and if there are salmonella left alive, they'll form visible colonies. Chip will take another sample of the nog a few weeks later to see if there are more or less bacteria. The plates are in.
No argument. I mean, the result is the result.
And here it is. Here's a sample of just egg and salmonella.
So no alcohol was present yet.
And as you might expect,
So the number in there is quite high, millions.
so that white stuff,
And that's just a lawn of bacteria. After we add the alcohol, we get a modest reduction.
a day later, the eggnog is still chock full of salmonella. A week later, there are fewer, but still a lot of bacteria, definitely not drinkable. And then
we plated it out at the 3-week time point, and what we see is nothing. This is complete sterilization. So somewhere between 1 and 3 weeks, you get sterilization.
which means that this once contaminated nog, 3 weeks later, is now theoretically drinkable.
We were talking about, doing the ultimate test there, but we decided against it.
In conclusion, this study, sample size of 1, suggests that if you follow the Lansfield recipe and let the nog sit in a fridge for more than 3 weeks, the damage caused by your eggnog won't be salmonella related, at least.
So it's safer to let it sit than it is to drink it right away.
But if you want to be really safe, there's always this. Cheers from Science Friday. I'm Flora Lichtman.
There's an experiment we do in lab. I think we do it not next week, but following week. When you use an agent to kill bacteria, you think you're killing them right away. There's a period of time that they need to be killed off. And if you read your Lysol spray bottle, it'll say, leave on the surface for 10 to 20 minutes to get, now it says 99% kills 99% of germs. You have to leave it on the surface for 10 to 20 minutes to get that effect. It won't kill them right away. You know, when we do this swab, because you're going to stick somebody with a needle, so you soak your swab in alcohol and then you go in a circular motion. That's not killing the bacteria on your skin. That's not going to happen instantaneously. It's a mechanical pushing away of the bacteria, and then you inject the needle. But alcohol does evaporate quickly, like your hand sanitizer, and the idea is it evaporates so quickly it'll dry out the bacteria and kill them at the same time. But this is more so why you go in a circle, because it's a mechanical wiping. You're pushing away the bacteria. So don't think those disinfectants are going to kill bacteria in an instant. Sometimes you have to sit a while. All right, go up to the lab, and the rest of you guys go